Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. Before we get started on writing any content on our blog, let's quickly tidy up our front page. At the moment, this is what we have. So on your WordPress dashboard, under appearance, click on customize. The customizer, depending on your theme, gives you the ability to change certain features of your blog. I'm talking about the look and feel of your blog. So we are using the jungle theme. I guess you've already uploaded yours. So under site identity, we can put in our logo. So you click on logo. I've already designed a logo. I would suggest use 50 by 50 pixels. So I have my image folder. Let me quickly drag and drop. Yeah. So you can give an alternative text, logo by me or something. So let's keep cropping. So this is where the site title. So we can write Pro Safe Blog. It's your wall to choose. Just anything. So when I click on publish and I head to our front page and refresh the page, you see we have our logo here, and this is the site title and the tagline. So the next is let's change the banner first. So the banner occupies this space. If you already have a picture or an image, that is fine. You can head to Google and type free stock images. I don't normally, we have Unsplash, we have Pixel. I use Pixels or Pixabay. Unsplash is also a great place to get more resources. They are all places you can search. So you can type in, since our primary focus is on the COVID-19, that's what the area we are in at the moment. Hope it gets by. Hope we're done with it soon. So you can type COVID-19. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. I already have this one downloaded, but you can click here. Let me choose the medium size. So under customizer, click on select banner image, and you can just right click and just drag and drop. You can give it an alt text, COVID-19. Click on choose, and voila, we have it. So that's just pretty much about the header image. We can put a header text. Let me use all caps. Together we can together we can conquer. Stay home and stay safe. So let's click on publish to have a look at it. Let me reload my page, and here we have it. Pretty simple, right? We are breathing some life to our blog. So the next thing we can tackle is the social media. So this is where you put all your social media handles: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Let me grab my Twitter handle, a Twitter URL link. Let me copy and paste. So you can see it automatically updates. Let me do that for Facebook. Instagram. If you don't have any of them, you can just ignore. But I have everything. So let's click publish. Refresh our page. So we have your social media icons, and on the footer they are there. When you click, it opens to that page. And at the moment, this is just the first part of our customizer. Later in the tutorials, we'll delve deep into it. So I think now we can start writing some content on our blog. Salam alaikum. If you like this video, you can always click subscribe, share, and like us on YouTube. Thank you. Salam.